1993 Tripura Legislative Assembly election. The 1993 Tripura Legislative Assembly election took place in a single phase on 15 February 1993 to elect the members of the Legislative Assembly MLA from each of the 60 Assembly Constituencies. India. The Communist Party of India Marxist CPIM, led by Dasarath Deb, won 44 seats and formed a government in Tripura. Highlights. Election to the Tripura Legislative Assembly were held on February 15, 1993. The election were held in a single phase for all the 60 Assembly constituencies. Participating political parties: National parties, BJP Bharatiya Janata Party, CPI Communist Party of India, CPM Communist Party of India Marxist, INC Indian National Congress, JDP Janata Dal B. State parties: FBL All India Forward Bloc, RSP Revolutionary Socialist Party, TUS Tripura Upajati Juba Samiti. No. Of constituencies. Electors. Performance of women candidates. Result. Constituency-wise winners, wise 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 winners. Government formation. The Communist Party of India Marxist CPIM, led by Dasarath Deb, won 44 seats and formed a government in Tripura. References ==